Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling the heat head on with a DIY project that's both simple and effective: a portable air cooler. That's right, we're building a little air conditioner using a few common items you probably already have or can easily get. This is a fantastic solution for those scorching days when you need a little cool air. And it's super easy to make. So, what do you need? First, you'll need a styrofoam box. The size doesn't matter too much, but bigger is generally better for cooling. You'll also need a small fan, like a USB-powered one or any small fan you can find. Then, you'll need some frozen water bottles. The more, the merrier, for extra cooling power. Finally, you'll need a knife or a box cutter to cut through the styrofoam. And some tape to secure everything. Let's get started. The first step is to prepare the styrofoam box. We need to create holes for the fan and for air vents. Carefully measure the size of your fan and cut a hole in one of the box's sides. Make sure the hole is snug enough to hold the fan securely. Now, on the opposite side of the box, cut a few smaller holes. These will be our air vents. They'll allow the cool air to circulate out. Next, place your fan into the hole you cut. You can use tape to secure it if it doesn't fit snugly. Make sure the fan is blowing air into the box. This is important for the cooling process to work effectively. If the fan is blowing air out, it will be less effective. Now, it's time for the secret ingredient: the frozen water bottles. Place the frozen water bottles inside the box. Try to arrange them so they're not blocking the fan's airflow too much. The more frozen water bottles, the colder the air will be. You can also use ice packs if you have them, or even a combination of water bottles and ice packs. Once everything is in place, close the lid of the styrofoam box. Make sure the fan is plugged in and turned on. Now, all that's left to do is wait and enjoy the cool air. As the air passes over the frozen water bottles, it gets cooled down. The fan then blows the cooled air out of the vents. You should feel a significant drop in temperature. This simple DIY air cooler is a great way to beat the heat without spending a fortune. It's perfect for a small room, a desk, or even for camping. Remember to replace the frozen water bottles as they melt to keep the cooling effect going. This project is a great way to stay cool, and it's also a fun and rewarding DIY project. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.